One person commented that they want more nature videos, so I would do one sitting out and open. Over at the Alaska Native Medical Center campus. The car over there. Just a nice little sitting area with like benches made out of granite. Very nice. There's bird food on there. That's nice. That's the new parking garage, Alaska Native Medical Center, the new Alaska Native housing for patients. CDC. I don't know what this building's called. Heritage? Bird Building or Heritage Building? One of the two. Or Nukunduk Building. I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't know. I'm not a linguist. Nuk, something. It's the top one. Breeze started, so I'm gonna go move over here. Oops. Still zoomed in. Sorry. So nice out today. Shorts on. Oh, red. Didn't notice that. Oh, darn. I was wearing pants yesterday. Or sunburn. One of the two. Didn't notice that. Maybe that's my Irish side coming out. You never know. Should be out fishing. Might do that tonight. High tide's not until 2 o'clock in the morning in Seward. So I think I got time. It's only 1 o'clock on a Saturday, the 12th of June, 2021. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Hasta mañana.